Hello everyone and welcome to my channel My Mind is Art. So in today's video I am going to unbox and review the Tati Abaurre Planner 2024 hardbound planner by the brand Happy Wagon. So if you're interested then please continue watching. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I have some of the other videos linked in the description box. So please also don't forget to check that out. Now without any further delay, let's get started. Dear sweetheart of a person, of course I have to start with a thank you so much for your order with every order. I send you virtual hugs, blah 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 blah. Have a wonderful day. This is so cute. Wow, this looks so luxurious. It is by Tati Abaurre from the brand Happy Wagon. This looks so good and it's very sturdy. This is how the box looks like. Brave hardbound planner. So this time of course I have ordered the hardbound planner because last year I ordered Alicia Souza's spiral wound and you can see the condition it is in right now. So I was like, definitely I'm ordering the hardbound one only. So let's unbox. So now let's unbox. Dun, dun. Well, this is a sad thing that this planner comes with only the planner and there are no freebies whatsoever. So that is a bummer honestly, but it's okay. I already have freebies from past 2-3 years of ordering all these planners and I just realized that it's all waste of money, so I just ordered this planner. And then this is the box again, which can get used for so many purposes. For now we'll just keep this aside. Wow. Wow, this looks absolutely fantastic. As you can see, this is a brave theme. There is this beautiful tiger, gold foiled 2024, these flowers by Tati Abaurre. This is how it looks. This is the thing and yeah. So yeah, this is the bookmark and this is how the planner looks like. It's in a very beautiful pink color. So now let's open and see what all is there inside. Wow, so this looks absolutely stunning. Let me just adjust my frame a little bit. Yeah, I think now it's in the center. So let's start. Yeah, so I've zoomed in a little bit. So this planner belongs to, this is to write the name and this look so beautiful. Then we have the dream board. Dare to live the life you have dreamed for yourself. Go forward and make your dream come true. So this is, I think, basically like a vision board, but they have just renamed it as dream board. So the pages, honestly, I feel they are very thin, like they are not super thick. I don't know, I feel like by the touch of it as compared to the last year's planner that I have used. But yeah, so I'm using Tati Abaurre's planner for the first time and I first time using Happy Wagon's planner. So this will be my first time experience of using this planner or using this planner from this brand. So then we have create your own magic, setting intentions for the year, then start where you are. These are your goals and dreams and steps towards my dreams. We have to write everything. So this is all the annual pages which we are supposed to fill before the year starts. Then we have the 2024 calendar and 2025 calendar, which is very good because we need a calendar for the next year as well. So next we have Year at a Glance. This spread I mostly use to paste a picture of that particular month and a special day of that month. Either I use it that way or I use it to write all the special dates. I'll most probably paste a picture of all these special days from the particular months. The next is Gratitude Practice. Again, a very beautiful page. We can write all the learnings, all the things we are grateful for in the year 2023, and we can use this very beautifully. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So beautiful. So then we have the January spread. These are the monthly spreads now. So first we have January, and I love the fact that the calendar starts from Monday and not a Sunday or a Saturday. This is very nice. So one thing I want to tell you is that I like to use my planners as a journal and not as a planner per se. So I don't have a lot of planning to do on a day-to-day basis, whereas I definitely use it like a journal. I'll show you. Last year I was also using this Accomplished Planner by Atelier Neura. So you can see how I use it. So I use it like this, and then I use it to journal. Then there was a weekly spread where I used to paste then there was a weekly spread where I used to paste all the pictures from that particular week, and so on. So this has been one of my favorite planners, and I'm going to use it this year as well, the journal, but I absolutely love this Atelier Neura's. All these pages are blank because I stopped using it, so I've used it on and off, but yeah, it's a very, very, very great planner from Atelier Neura. This is Accomplished in the variant B5. I already have an unboxing video of this one on my channel. I'll link it in the iCard. You can check that out. Whereas coming back to this year's Happy Wagon Tati Abaurre planner. So this is a January spread. So I like to write all the clients that I take. So I like to write all the details of the clients who have joined or who have renewed in the particular month. And then here I'll be using it to maybe track the appointments, or maybe simply just write a quote a day or something of that sorts. So the next page that I have is for the monthly planning page, wherein I can write all the monthly goals, the to-do list, notes and reminders. And on the right side, we have the habit tracking page. I love it. This is so colorful, and I can just cross it, or I can just put a dot, or I can just scribble it like that, and I can write down all the habits. They have given space for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 habits, and I think that is good. First, say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. Perfect quote for habit tracking. Let's move on to the next page, and this is project planning. If I have any particular projects, I can write it down here, and then I can also write the title, the photo, any photo related or something. Or I may in fact revamp this page and make it a entertainment journal kind of a page. So I can either write or track like favorite book, and then a little summary about that, favorite movie, a little summary, favorite song, a little summary, and so on. I think this is going to be a better use of this page. I'm definitely going to revamp this one and redesign this one. So next is again gratitude practice at the end of the month. So that is beautiful. Then we have the space for the journaling. So I'll see what I'll do with this, most probably because I'll be using the Atelier Neura's planner only. But if by chance I don't use it and I continue to use this one, then I would definitely journal here, because they have enough space for me to write about my day, or write about my morning gratitude, or write about anything that I want to do for a particular day. I'm again saying I don't use this as a planner. I definitely not use my planners as planners. Instead, I use them as journals. So I will most probably be using this as journal, and then that also as a journal. I'll see. Then this is week 2, week 3. Then we have week 4. And then another gratitude practice. You can do hard things. And then we have the month of February. So again, all these pages are same. Then we have March. Then we have April, belong to yourself, another very beautiful page. Then we have April, bloom where you are planted. Then we have Born to Fly for June. Then we have July, believe in yourself. Then August, create your own magic. Only from the heart can you touch the sky. Start where you are. Strong, brave, and free. What you seek is seeking you. Oh. I think we have reached December. Have we? Yeah, so this is December. What we seek is seeking you. And then we have the annual pages. So it's never too late to be what you might have been. And this is year in a review reflection. So maybe on 25th December 2024, I can take some time and I can write about the year, how the year has been, what were my learnings, and what were the hardships, or overall, how did the year go. And the next page, we have a letter to myself, which I can write for maybe Tanvi in 2030 or maybe something like that. Then we have some blank pages that I can use as per my convenience. Maybe this is for the letter only. Then we have password tracking, which I am not going to use this, because who writes passwords on a planner? Because this is a physical planner and anyone can have access to your planner. So I don't recommend writing your passwords here. We can use this page for something else. And then we have stickers inside the planner. This is good that they have stuck it or attached it to the planner itself. So we have day off, priority, deadline, important, and then happy, party, birthday, family time. Then we have this born to fly, and so on. And that's it. And oh, we also have a pocket. So that's it for this planner. The planner, Happy Wagon's Tatiana Abaurre planner. I think this is a very beautiful planner. I love the front page that I ordered. This is Brave planner that I have ordered. The theme is Brave, and I love how gold foil this is and everything. I love the quality and everything. This is going to be amazing. I will try to include the setting up videos. I will try to bring in the setting up videos from December maybe, or maybe December end. I'll try that. So if you are interested, then please stay tuned for that. I'm so excited to use this planner for the next year. And yeah, if you're interested, then please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.